Welcome to English Listening with Bonnie channel. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to listen to a short story about two friends exploring Barcelona, Spain. It is simple, slow, and easy English. In this story, you will hear Sam and Ali as they discover Spanish culture, food, and famous places. Please listen carefully and try to understand the main idea. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen and remember the answer. Here is the question. Why are some shops closed in the afternoon in Spain? Listen carefully during the story. The answer will appear inside the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments. This will help you improve your English. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Good morning, Ellie.
Good morning, Sam. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. The bed was so comfortable.
Me too. I slept like a baby.
So we are really here, right? In Barcelona?
Yes, we are. Can you believe it?
Not really. It feels like a dream.
I know, but look outside. The sun is already shining.
It's so bright. What time is it?
It's 8 in the morning.
8? Wow, the sun is strong for 8 o'clock.
Welcome to Spain. The days are long here.
Long days? That sounds nice.
Yes, and the nights are long too.
Really? What do you mean?
People here stay up late. Dinner is often at 9 or 10.
10 at night? That's so late.
I know, but that's normal here. We'll see tonight.
Okay, so what's our plan for today?
We're going to explore the city. We can't see everything, but we can feel Barcelona in one day.
Feel the city. I like that. Where do we start?
First, let's get some breakfast. I'm hungry.
Me too. Let's go.
This cafe looks nice. Let's sit here.
Sure. Oh, there are tables outside.
Yes, let's sit outside. The weather is perfect.
Good idea. I love eating outside.
Me too. It's so relaxing.
Okay, let me see the menu.
What's wrong?
The breakfast menu is small.
What do you mean?
There's only coffee and bread, and maybe some toast.
That's normal in Spain.
Really? Just coffee and bread?
Yes, Spanish people eat a light breakfast.
I see. No eggs? No bacon?
No, not usually. Maybe at a hotel for tourists.
That's interesting. I'm used to big breakfasts.
Don't worry, lunch here is very big.
Oh, that's good. When is lunch?
Around 2 o'clock, sometimes later.
2 o'clock? That's late.
Yes, Spanish people eat lunch late, and dinner is even later.
Wow, this is very different from home.
It is, but I like it. Everything is slow and relaxed.
I can see that. Look at those people over there.
The ones drinking coffee?
Yes, they're laughing and talking at 8 in the morning.
That's how it is here. People love to talk.
I like that. It feels so friendly.
It is. Coffee is a big part of life here.
I can understand why. This coffee is delicious.
Right? Spanish coffee is strong but smooth.
I could sit here all day.
Me too. But we have a lot to see today.
You right. Should we go soon?
Yes, but finish your coffee first. No rush.
Okay. I'm learning the Spanish way already.
Good. Today we will walk a lot. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's explore Barcelona. We walked for about 30 minutes, but it was a nice walk.
Yes, walking is the best way to see the city. And look.
Ellie, look at that.
Oh my gosh, it's so big.
Is that the Sagrada Familia?
Yes, it is. It's beautiful, isn't it?
It's amazing. I've never seen anything like this.
Me neither. The towers are so tall.
How tall are they?
I think more than 100 meters.
100 meters? Wow.
Yes, and it's still not finished.
Still not finished? But it looks complete to me.
They've been building it for over 100 years.
100 years? That's incredible.
I know, it's a very special building.
Look at all the details on the walls.
Yes, there are so many. Flowers, animals, people.
Who designed this?
A famous architect named Gaudí.
Gaudi. I've heard that name before.
He was from this region, Catalonia, and he worked here in Barcelona.
This city must be very proud of him.
Yes, very proud. He is a symbol of Barcelona.
Should we go inside?
We need tickets for that, but even from outside, it's amazing.
You're right. I could look at it all day.
Let's take some photos.
Good idea. Can you take one of me?
Sure, stand over there. Smile.
Like this?
Perfect. Now let me take one of you, too.
Okay. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Great photo. You look happy.
I am happy. This place is magical.
Look, there are local people here too, not just tourists.
Yes, this church is part of their daily life.
That's nice. It's not just for visitors.
Exactly. Barcelona has many old buildings like this.
I want to see more.
We will. Let's take the metro to the next place.
Good idea. My feet are happy about that.
Don't worry, you'll walk more soon.
This street is so alive.
This is La Rambla, one of the most famous streets in Barcelona.
There are so many people.
Yes, it's always busy here.
Look, there's a man playing guitar.
And over there, someone is dancing.
Wow, this is like a party in the street.
That's Barcelona for you. Music and art are everywhere.
I love it. Oh, look at that person.
The one painted silver? Like a statue?
Yes, is that a real person?
Yes, it's a street performer. They stand very still.
Amazing. I thought it was a statue.
Many people think that at first.
Ellie, those people are talking so loudly.
Yes, Spanish people speak loudly.
And they use their hands a lot.
That's true. They express themselves with their whole body.
It's so different from home.
Different, but in a good way, right?
Definitely. It feels warm and friendly.
Oh, excuse me.
Did that man just touch your arm?
Yes, he was asking for directions.
Wow, people here are not shy.
No, they're not. Personal space is smaller here.
I noticed that. People stand very close.
It takes some time to get used to.
But it's nice. Everyone seems so open.
Yes, strangers talk to each other easily here.
That man just smiled at me.
Smile back.
Okay. Hola.
Good job. You're learning Spanish already.
Just one word so far.
It's a good start. Look, there's a market up ahead.
Let's check it out. But first, I'm getting hungry.
Me too. It's almost 2 o'clock. Time for lunch.
This restaurant looks perfect.
Yes, let's eat here. I can smell something delicious.
Me too. What is that smell?
I think it's paella, the famous Spanish rice dish.
Oh, I've always wanted to try that.
Perfect. Let's order one.
Okay. Excuse me. One paella, please.
Good job ordering in English. Most people here understand.
That's helpful. Oh, look. Here it comes.
Wow, it's huge.
Look at all those colors. Yellow, red, orange.
The yellow comes from saffron, a special spice.
And what's in it? I see shrimp.
Yes, shrimp, mussels, and other seafood.
It smells amazing, like the ocean.
Spanish food uses a lot of seafood and olive oil.
I can see the olive oil. It's shiny.
That's what makes it so tasty.
This is a lot of food. Can we finish it?
We can share it. That's how Spanish people eat.
Share? Like from the same pan?
Yes, it's normal here. Food brings people together.
I like that. It feels like family.
Exactly. Spanish meals are about more than food.
What do you mean?
They're about time together, talking, laughing, relaxing.
That's why lunch is so late.
Partly, people take their time with meals here.
I noticed nobody is rushing.
That's how people live here. Enjoy the moment.
Wait, let me take a photo first.
Of course, everyone takes photos of paella,
It's too beautiful to eat.
but we must eat it. Go ahead, try some.
This is incredible.
Right? The rice is so flavorful.
And the seafood is fresh.
Barcelona is by the sea. Everything is fresh here.
I could eat this every day.
Me too. Should we get some wine?
Wine with lunch?
It's very common in Spain, even at lunch.
Okay, why not? When in Spain, right?
Exactly.
Wow, we spent a long time eating.
Lunch here can last 2 hours or more. That's normal.
I can't believe it's already 4 o'clock.
Time flies when you're enjoying good food.
That lunch was amazing. I'm so full.
Me too. But we walked a lot, so it's okay.
Hey, I want to buy something for my family. Let's go in that shop.
Oh, I think it's closed.
Closed, but it's only 4 o'clock.
Yes, but many shops close in the afternoon.
Really? Why?
It's called siesta, a rest time after lunch.
Siesta. I've heard that word before.
It's a Spanish tradition. People rest during the hottest part of the day.
That makes sense. The sun is very strong right now.
Exactly. So people go home, eat lunch, and maybe sleep a little.
That sounds nice, actually.
It is, but it means some shops are closed from 2 to 5.
2 to 5? That's a long break.
Yes, time works differently here.
I noticed. People don't seem worried about being late.
No, they don't. Life is more relaxed here.
What if we have plans?
Plans can wait. That's how people think here.
Plans can wait. I like that.
There's a phrase here, no pasa nada.
What does that mean?
It means it's okay or no problem.
No pasa nada. I like the sound of that.
People say it all the time. Don't worry, it will be fine.
So what should we do now?
Let's just walk and enjoy the city. The shops will open later.
And what about tonight?
Tonight will be special. The city comes alive at night.
Really? Even more than now?
Oh yes, much more. You'll see.
I can't wait.
First, let's rest a little, like the Spanish people do.
Good idea. My feet need a break.
There's a nice plaza over there. Let's sit and watch people.
Sounds perfect.
Ellie, it's 10 o'clock at night.
I know. And look at all these people.
The streets are full, like it's the middle of the day.
That's Spanish nightlife. The night is when everything happens.
Children are still outside with their families.
Yes, families eat dinner late and then walk together.
This is so different, but I love it.
Me too. Now, are you ready for something special?
What is it?
Flamenco. traditional Spanish dance.
Oh, I've seen videos. With the red dresses?
Yes, flamenco comes from southern Spain, but you can enjoy it here too.
Great. Let's go inside.
The show is starting.
Okay. Oh, wow. This place is dark and cozy.
That's how it should be. Flamenco is emotional.
Look, the dancer is coming out.
Watch closely. This is beautiful.
Her dress is so colorful. Red and black.
And watch her feet. They move so fast.
The sound, like thunder.
That's the footwork. It tells a story.
And the guitar, it's so powerful.
Flamenco is all about passion, love, pain, joy, anger.
I can feel it. My heart is beating fast.
That means it's working. People are clapping along. Yes, you can clap too. It's part of the experience.
Okay, this is amazing.
Look at her face. So much emotion.
She looks happy and sad at the same time.
That's flamenco. Life is happy and sad together.
That's deep.
Spanish people express their feelings openly.
Through dance and music?
Exactly. It's part of who they are.
I understand now why people love Spain so much.
Why?
Because life here feels very full of food, music, people, and feeling.
That's a beautiful way to say it, Sam.
This is a night I will never forget.
Me neither. Barcelona is magical.
Can we stay one more day?
I wish, but we'll come back someday.
Promise?
Promise.
Thank you, Barcelona. What a day.
What a day, and what a night.
I love it here.
Me too. Until next time, Barcelona.
Until next time.
Great job listening. Now, let's check the question again. Why are some shops closed in the afternoon in Spain? Did you catch the answer? If yes, please write it in the comments below. Practice like this every day, and your English will improve step by step. Thank you for watching. If you like this lesson, please subscribe and like the video. I will share more slow and easy English stories for you. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.